I've been in your waters. I came for sure. I've never been so close before. It's one way or the other.
Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a beautiful 1964 Lincoln Continental, and it is a convertible. We're going to showcase all the features, do a walk around, and take it for a test drive. This is going to be listed on Bring a Trailer. It's an auction site. Go to bringatrailer.com if you want to find out full information on this specific ride or anything you're seeing around us. So this is going on Bring a Trailer. The Corvette is going on there. Just click on the link down below. It'll give you estimated time for a list up. And then if you have any questions in regards to financing or transport prior to bidding, just give us a holler at 954-363-2261. On a rating scale from 1 to 10, we're gonna give this a 6 out of 10. Driver quality, so concourse would be 9 to 10 out of 10. This is 6, so that's like a D. Drive's extremely nice. Power top does work. Takes a long time, but we're gonna show you that. Windows go up and down with ease, and the engine bay is very clean. Same owner for 27 years. So how I found out about this car, one of my close friends was visiting New York State, and she went to her uncle's house and this thing was in the garage. She said that when she was a kid, they would go for rides around town with this specific ride, and I had to have it. So I made an offer, we were able to get it. We had to do new coil and go through some of the grounding wires, but it does run really nice. It's a nice original piece that's been repainted one time. No rust or rot. So when you look at the gallery, look at our underside shots. It starts up easily. Brand new battery. Some of the hood insulation is missing. You can get that from Lincoln Land. Air condition actually does work. Radiator is original, but it is not leaking. Runs down the road nicely. We're going to show you that today. Windshield wipers work. Vacuum door locks still work. Antenna does not work. It does have an aftermarket radio. We're going to show you that in a second. Since you're on that side, we'll just walk down the drivers. Chrome is driver quality, so there are minor imperfections, little dings on some of the bright work, but it's not pitted. The chrome over here is really nice, and the top is about 20 years old. Windshield wipers work, as I said, and when you open up the doors, this is why this car is so popular, suicide doors. The rubbers are starting to show their age. You can see the trim tag here. But there's no rot here. Normally these cars will have rot. Inside the doors, if you look inside of the fenders, you're gonna see that it's nice. Carpet was replaced at one point. Interior has been redone. It's a vinyl. Dash is very nice, and the gauges do work. Let me close that door. We'll go to the passenger side. All the quarters are really nice. Tires are, they're starting to show their age in regards to how old they are. They're from 2005. Hubcaps look good. Gas fill is very nice. The top vinyl is starting to show its age as well. But when you put the top down, this thing looks unreal, and we're gonna do that shortly. Rear bumper is nice. It does have imperfections right here. Obviously there's no trunk. This is where the convertible top is going to go, so we're going to show you that after we do the test, the walk around, and then we'll take it for a test drive. Passenger side quarter looks great. Continental badge is original. Small scratch right here, surface scratch, and the bright work does have a little bit of wear. Small imperfection right here, and then you still do have your original rubbers. Power seat does operate, and you can see that the carpet has been replaced. The convertible top, all the brackets are nice, and they do go into the little cubby easily. Seat belts throughout. You have a radio in here, so there's a touchscreen radio in your glove box, with a convertible top repair guide just in case you have any issues, along with touch-up paint. Clock still works. This fender is very nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna start it so you can hear it, and we're gonna put the top and glass down. I need to use the right key. So it starts up easily every time. I've let it sit for about a week and a half. All you do is pump the gas once and it fires up. No leaks from the carburetor. I'm gonna put the glass down first. So I'm gonna do passenger side. You can see the glass is going down. It's slow, these are the original motors, but they do go down. Then we'll do the rear. Oh, wrong one. Putting down this one. So the rear ones, for some reason, I think that main switch is starting to go bad. You actually have to there we go. And on this side, same thing, you have to go back here and actually put it down. So the main switch needs to be sent out to get repaired. Top works perfect. So you're gonna click that, and then you're gonna have your deck lid. There's two screws that will release and it'll open up. You can see that it's nice and original in there. It's about a 50-second process. And I've cycled it 2 to 3 times in a row with no issues. So now the release for the top itself is popped open, has released, and it'll slowly go into the hatch. That's crazy. A minute. They have relays in there that control everything, so that's just the first thing you want to look for if you ever have an issue. But it closes up nicely. You see both sides are going to go even. And now it's a Lincoln Continental convertible. Beautiful. We're going to jump in it and go for a ride and help you guys decide if this is the right car for you. If you want something you could just jump in and enjoy and not really worry about someone scratching it, it's not a concourse car. This is it. Horn works. Your door locks still operate and they're vacuum operated. You see that? They're going up and down. Radio works. Oh, this radio does. So you put power on and then you can you got your speaker here that's working.
And when you're blessed, you start realizing.
And then you're gonna lower this right here, and it is touchscreen, so you could click on it and it goes to different settings. We're just gonna keep it off for the test drive. Air condition does work, so we'll put it on there. And it does blow, and it's cold. It's actually cold. Map light works. Let's turn this off. Fuel gauge works. Oil pressure, you can see that oil pressure is reading. Amperage is reading, and it's cold. We just started it. We've only put a total of 3 miles on it, so you'll be going for the first test drive. Odometer shows 46,746 miles, and it's pretty original, so I would assume that that is correct. It's just so cool with the top down. You got an armrest right here with GM seat belts. I don't know if these are the correct color. I would assume that the darker blue was the right color. And then they added these here for just for safety. Oh, it says 67, so yeah. We're gonna put it in gear. E-brake will pop off for you when you put it in gear. It's smooth, there's no dead spots in the carburetor. Brakes are touchy, so I mean you can literally just like touch it and it stops. Steering's tight, it's not loose. There's Troy, he's building a boat for us right now. So we've got a Donzi Classic here. And there's the guys that are restoring all the boats.
Look at that lanyard.
Troy from Supreme Marine. You like it? 22 feet of joy.
And it even has a bottle holder
Isn't
all
it-
the way down.
It's beautiful, huh?
I love it.
Yep, we're gonna put it on Bring a Trailer. We're gonna turn left here. Turn signals do operate, but the light for the left side is not illuminating under the dash. The right side does flash. It goes down the road nicely. If you're gonna drive this cross country or if you're gonna fly in to pick this up and drive it home, I would definitely recommend putting a new set of tires on. The tires have plenty of tread, but they're old. They're from 2005. Or you modify this, you get it all, I mean, it seems like everybody decides to buy original cars like this and put air ride on them and ruin them. This is really nice and original. You can enjoy it with your family. 6 people will fit in here. I'm gonna take a corner now and see how it feels. All the lights work as well. So you've got high beams and low beams. You've got your switch underneath your emergency brake pedal. Dash is nice, one little crack right here. And we do these videos because we sell 99% sight unseen. So we have to really showcase exactly what it is. When we give a rating scale, that's an honest rating scale from us being able to sell over 1,500 cars. We could see the differences in grades. It's not just a guy that has a car dealership and only sells modern cars and all of a sudden he's got this and he's saying this is a 10 out of 10. We're giving you a really honest review on a car. Brakes are actually really easy. Anybody could drive this. So the seat does work. I'm moving it back right now just so I can have a little bit more room. You can adjust it in regards to tilting it forward or going back. We have it all the way back. It's really comfortable. When we get to the next light, we'll turn left and we'll be able to go around 50 miles an hour to showcase how it drives. And then we'll get some outside shots for you. If you have any questions about this car, just give us a call at 954-363-2261. Interior is extremely clean and original. Door cards are very nice. All the pulls are nice. As I said, we've got the 2 switches for the one switch for the back window only works from the back door. Your smoker's windows still work, so I can open up the smoker's windows. I'm doing that right now. You can see that they're opening. Clock still works. You got your glove box right here, which I think he showcased already. It's nice. Steers easy. The mats say 64 on them. That's pretty neat. 64 LCC. Lincoln Continental convertible. We will include the coach purse. Wonder if there's anything in it. No, you can put your pictures of your children in here. You're welcome. Very smooth. Just shifted into second. We're going about 40 right now. We're gonna have to get over, and let's get over right now. Oh, it rides nice. It's not floaty. It just feels firm. We're going about 50 miles an hour. I'm gonna push the brakes. Let's see how it pulls. No pulling, is stopping evenly. This road that we're gonna take today has several dips in it, so we're gonna go at speed. You'll be able to see how it goes over bumps. And then we'll get some outside shots for you so you can make a decision. Let's put the music on. We were both just discussing that this is such a nice driver, I almost want to give it a higher rating because of how good it goes down the road. We went over a whole bunch of dips recently, and we're going to do some right here, and you're going to see that it just takes all the bumps and you don't feel a single thing. Super comfortable. It's peppy enough to drive every day if you wanted to. Sorry about the airplane. So there's a couple of bumps right here. We're going to see how it reacts. There's a pretty big one right here. Nothing. You don't feel a single thing. Yeah, you really, I mean, it drives so nice. Here's a big bump. Nothing. Temperature's good. It's charging properly. I don't know what more you can ask for. If you're looking for a 64 Continental that you can jump in and enjoy, this is it. If you guys have any questions, give us a call. 954-363-2261. Let's put her away.